Hello guys, welcome to the Orbit of the Coding. I am Alok Mukhya and today I am going to present microservice using .NET Core Part 2. In the first part, I have explained what are microservices and need of microservices and advantage of microservices. If you don't go to the part 1, then visit the part 1, and after that I'm going to explain the part one, the difference between monolithic architecture and microservices architecture. So, before going to the implementation of microservice, we need to clear about that what is monolithic architecture and what is microservices architecture and what is the difference between them. So now, before microservices comes, we are generally using a monolithic architecture. And what is the basic difference between them is a monolithic architecture. We have a single large scale project, and it's very difficult to manage a monolithic architecture. And if we're talking about microservices, collection of small project and easy to manage. And second difference is that small changes deploy whole application. In monolithic architecture, if there is some small changes in any module, then we need to deploy whole application. We need to build the application. It taking a lot of times. And, and instead of microservices, easy to deploy and only deploy the impacted service. And another, like if I get a single bug in any modules, can bring down the entire monolithic application. And if we talking about microservices, only impact module down, other services working at it. So I already in the first pass I already take an example of e-commerce site. Like if one service is done, other services are working as it is. And in monolithic architecture, it has a shared database, but microservices, each project and module has their own database and it might be on servers. It's easy to choose. And monolithic architecture, it's extremely difficult to change technology or language. And microservices, easy to change technology or frameworks. Monolithic architecture is tightly coupled between two modules, and microservices loosely coupled. So in monolithic architecture, single programming language dependency for the backend, like basic business logic, and microservice ability to choose multiple technology language for each microservice, because microservice is collection of small services. So we are we are actually we have the multiple options. One service we can choose pythons, one service we can choose api, any language we are easy to choose the language in microservice, but it's monolithic architecture is difficult to manage. So thank you guys. So that's it in this video. If you have any questions or if you have any query, then go to the comment button and put in the query. So thank you all. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you. Have a nice day.